back to my channel. So today we are driving through Garland and Rowlett, Texas to check out these brand new communities. The amazing thing about this community is that it has homes from 1 bedroom to 6 bedrooms. Now they're still working on some of the amenities and the homes, but we're gonna check out this 2-bedroom first. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's Ashley. So today we are here in Rowlett, Texas, just 30 minutes east of Dallas, and we're going to be checking out this brand new home community with both single family homes like the one behind me and townhomes. And these prices are so great, you don't want to miss out. So let's go on in and check it out. So this is their single story 2-bedroom. When you first come in, wait, you'll see, that's a surprise. We're gonna come on in and see our primary bedroom first. It's not finished, but you still get a layout of the space. And this one has its own private bathroom. So we have our stand-up shower here with the built-ins, and then this one will have 2 sinks. So now let's check out the rest of this home. So we have this long hallway. I'm gonna make you wait though. We're gonna go see bedroom number 2. So here is the bathroom. And here is the bedroom. So you will only have carpet in the bedrooms, and this one has a smaller closet, unfortunately, but still a closet. All right, so now let's check out the kitchen. Ta-da! Windows upon windows. Y'all know I usually do y'all know I usually do high rises with the floor to ceiling windows, but if you want those floor to ceiling windows in your own home with the pull down shades, oh, look at this. No need to buy blinds, they're already built in. And you have your own garage. Just gotta take a few steps and you have your own private garage. So this is a 2-bed private garage for 2 cars. And this kitchen is glorious because it has a huge island, and I love the finishes, the white and the almost cream colored floor. It's so cute. This is really pretty, brand new everything of course, and we have our pendant lights. I love this footprint, it's so cute. So let's go outside just for a second to see the outside patio. And we have a real yard, so all my dog people, you will have an actual lawn right next to our garage. Everything is fenced in. This is so cute. Love it. Okay, so we're still in the same community. Now we're gonna check out their 4-bedroom home. This is a townhome. So I'm gonna put on some music and just let you guys enjoy this one before we get to the next one.
Okay, so we have transitioned over to the second property. This one is in Garland, and we're just walking into the front lobby. Right here, we have one of the lounge areas with the big screen TV, the baseball game going on. And we also have a pool table right here. Oh my gosh, they have the old school arcade game. I don't even know what game that was. But they have one of those there if you're into the 80s gaming style. Outside, this is where we will find our lounge area next to the pool. And we're going to see a better view of the pool once we get upstairs. Now, here's where they have their co-working spaces. If you need some privacy, you can go into one of these offices and close the door, or if you just want to be out in the open, you can take advantage of this space and the free printer also. So several conference rooms. And there's another office there for handicapped people, handicap accessible. And here is the fitness center where they have a variety of fitness equipment. So we have our treadmills here, bikes, cardio equipment, Stairmaster, all that. They have a Smith machine and the free weights and some kettlebells. So a pretty good gym. Yeah, decent amount of stuff in here. Okay, so next we are going to check out the apartments. So one thing about this building is that they are completely climate controlled. I know I've been posting a few lately in McKinney, and some of the McKinney apartments, or just like out in the suburbs, some apartments are garden style and they only have 3 floors and no elevators. Well, this one does have elevators and climate controlled hallways. So we are in our 1 bedroom. This one is overlooking the pool, so we have that nice aerial view of the pool. This one has a cute balcony and a pretty open floor plan as far as the living area and kitchen. They do have some that are larger than this, so I think this one's right around 750 square feet. You do get a good amount of space in the bedroom as well, and there is carpet just in the bedroom. And here is the bathroom. We do have our linen closet. And in some of the larger 1 bedrooms, I believe they have 2 sinks. So this is just like our standard 1 bedroom that they use as the model. And this one has a tub. And we have our washer and dryer that are full size, which is awesome because you can fit things like your comforter in there. So here is the 2 bedroom model. This one is like a roommate style apartment where they have 2 beds on either side, and they're roughly the same size. I know it's hard to find some that are exactly the same as far as the layout in the bathroom and closet and everything. So we have our pantry and the lighting underneath the cabinets. And this one is going to have the granite countertops, also hardwood throughout except in the bedrooms. So I am going to play some music for the duration of this one. We are at our third and final stop. This one is a single family and townhome community. They have 1, 2, and 3 bedroom homes available. And this one is so cute. I love the finishes. This is also a brand new community. So today is all about the brand new communities, but I believe they're all finished here and they're ready for y'all to just move in. So what are you waiting for? If you want more information, you already know what to do. Click the link below and I will reach out to you. So this one has a laundry room with the washer and dryer on separate sides. I don't see that too often, but you have to make use of the space as it's built. So that's what they definitely did here. And this one also has a cute yard. I don't know if every single floor plan comes with a yard, but this one has one. So half of it has turf and the other half has gravel. So very convenient. Oh my gosh, the door opened. I forgot to close the door all the way. So let me do that now. Okay, so bedroom number 1 is downstairs where the wood flooring is going to expand into the bathroom and the closet area. We do have a walk-in shower and a tub. I love when they have a wet room like this because it's just so easy to either shower or take a bath or like go back and forth. Yes, and then we have our closet here. Why did they put some of the rods that high? They're like 10 feet high. Oh my gosh, so tall. And we have some ceiling fans throughout this property as well. Those definitely come in handy. I don't know about you, but I cannot sleep without a ceiling fan. Okay, so now we are upstairs. So this is bedroom number 2. Of course, it's not as large as the one in the first floor. And then we have bedroom number 3, which is like literally a carbon copy of the second bedroom. So 2 and 3 are going to be the same size and layout, and this one will have a shower. Now here are some of the amenities that they have. This is the community room, and they also have a 24-hour fitness center. It is pretty quaint, but it's adequate. It's like if you want access to all the gym equipment, you might want to get a membership. But if you just want to come here and do a simple workout, then they have some equipment. It reminds me of a hotel gym. Okay, and here is the pool. One thing I did not record for y'all is the pickleball court. So they have that. I'm so sorry. I was in a rush so I didn't get a video of the pickleball court. But if y'all want to see it in person, you can come out this way. Just fill out the form linked in my description below. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.